We are here for an event with our parents and I'm also collaborating with Focused Indian. Red Bull thinks that I'm a very fit contender.
I know the trick. The trick is to lift it from here.
Don't pull your back.
Classes चालू करो घर पे acting के.
You have to go to Andheri every week.
What's up guys, what's up? Welcome to the vlog. I'm glad that I have the same boyfriend since I started dating someone because he knows the struggles and the progress we've made together when we were in college. We are glad if you guys think that we are still in college, we're not. I'm 27-year-old, Rhythm is 28. We graduated in 2017 and when we were in college, we had a dance group together also and we used to come to this college which is KJ Somaya to practice, and now we are here for an event with our parents which is Red Bull. So Red Bull invited us to come for this event, which is a grand one. I don't want to reveal it right now. I want to show you guys the setup first and then reveal what this event is about. And I'm also collaborating with Focused Indian. Karan, his name is Karan. We're doing it together. Unfortunately, Rhythm is not doing the event with me because Rhythm needs a lot of followers yet.
Million followers.
Yeah, million followers, Rhythm. So that should be our goal this year, to at least get 1 lakh followers.
It is.
So get your abs right now.
That's why posting so much.
Yeah, and we need abs as well because the moment a guy has an abs, he automatically has a lot of followers. Okay, wait. Guys, I think it's time that I invest in a new iPhone with the better storage. Rhythm is like, we should get you the 256. I'm like, no, take my money and get me the 512 GB now. So now I think I need to rethink on my decision of buying a new phone. I was telling Rhythm, I will vlog in my iPhone 15 with 128 GB, but that's not happening. Like literally right now I had to switch phone because I am full of storage. I'm full of storage.
You're full of storage. I've been asking her to upgrade her iPhone in the past 2 months now. But she's like, no, I don't want to do it. I'm like, okay, don't do it. Sit over here. With your 128 GB.
128 GB is the shittiest decision one could. Like iPhone nahi jab
now it is worse than 64 GB. I used to sit on Tulu for 64 GB. Now it is worse than 128 GB because we shoot everything in 4K. We don't shoot like 1080. Like 1080 is like gone now. You can't do 1080 anymore. Current is here. So everything has to be done in 4K. And 4K memory is so huge. Like you just shoot one whole day of vlog and 120 GB is full.
And I don't want to carry my, like I have a camera, but nowadays it's annoying when you take your camera everywhere and people are like, it's not allowed to shoot, not allowed to shoot. So iPhone kind of gives you the best quality. So investing in an iPhone right now is a better decision than getting a new camera. Anyways, let's get back to the event. Red Bull thinks that I'm a very fit contender, which I'm not, okay? My fitness level, it would be 5 out of 10 if you exclude running. So Rhythm was like, guys, Da is not that strong, okay? She cannot do a single pull-up. I mean, she's training for it, not in
now
literal sense.
Now she has to train it after.
Yeah, because this event is happening in April. You guys will get to know soon what this event is about. So I have 3 months to focus on my upper body and gain strength so that I could do multiple things. Like I could do a pull-up, I could hang on the bars for at least 2 minutes. I can do a plank. So there are multiple things which I've been ignoring for my past fitness journey, but say no more. Rhythm forgot the stand of Insta 360. Rhythm, how can you do that?
It's okay.
Huh?
Sometimes I forget.
You're the sport boy, okay? You cannot forget. You need to
try lifting it once alone.
I know the trick. The trick is to lift it from here.
No, it should be the first reaction when we both do it, yeah?
Do it now, you'll do it together, it's okay. Oh, not bad. Not bad.
How many times? 10 times?
No, now take it back. Now take it back. Just take it back. Don't pull your back. And your hair is gone. Come on.
Not bad. Oh, but my back hurts. We're now shooting the collab reel. It's going to be big for me actually. I'm collabing with Karan. He has 1 million followers. So my first collab, you could say, with someone beyond 1 million followers. I am so bad at acting and they're telling me to act in the start. Rhythm is going to laugh for sure.
I know how it's going to go.
Yeah, Rhythm is a TikTok baby, okay? He can literally act. Thank God I am the one convincing Karan to join me for the obstacle race and not Karan telling me, because he can do a lot of acting, not me. Overacting max. क्लासेस चालू कर घर पे एक्टिंग के.
You have to go to Andheri every week.
Shut up.
Just go to Andheri, sit in one of the habitats or sit in one of the blue tokai, find somebody and just do method acting with them.
With them. Stop spitting facts. Okay, guys, this is your way if you ever want to come to Mumbai for acting. Versova is your location.
Take a train to Andheri, then take a metro to DN Nagar. Find somebody over there. You find somebody over there. If not DN Nagar, go to Versova.
I have even given an audition for fun because I made a list things I've not done, and oh my god, there were easily 400 to 500 people for that one single audition. Struggle is real, literally real.
Rolling and action. ये अक्षदा क्या हुआ?
अरे इबिजा जाना है बट कोई
Guys, we have Karan again for the vlog.
Is it 360 or one side right now working?
360 nahi hai, one side hai.
One side only. Okay. Yeah. So
Which vlog are you right now?
I'm on This will be my 209th vlog.
209.
Ninth, yeah,
I think 365 you can do it.
I think it's
हो जाएगा
easy,
ना.
yeah.
1 year of vlogging.
I don't want to go 365. I want to do it.
1000?
I don't know. I can do it. Maybe 1000.
1000 seems very crazy.
1000 is like 3 years, no? Almost.
Yeah.
Almost 3
3
years.
years. 1000 seems like a good number. Now it's our time to do the obstacle race, guys. Arigato. One for you?
No.
For whom? You're not eating.
No, I'm not eating.
Why?
I have to get ready for Spain. So the obstacle race has finally started and everyone from the college can now participate. So the first qualification round is for them to go through 4 obstacles right now and then they have to submit a video. All the details are available on the Red Bull website. You guys can check it out. I'm going to show you how it goes for other contestants.
Let's go!
Careful.
Side se. Use the pole. Let's go. Oh my god! Good yaar,
Wow. It was impressive. This is just a trial, what we are doing right now. We'll see how it goes. Both of us have to do a lot of work when it comes to strength training. Obstacle number 1. This is 71 kgs. Flipping this is easy. Both of us can do it. Easy hai na ye to 71 kgs.
hell, man.
It's actually very hot right now. Thanks to my spot boy. He gave me vada pav and now I have the energy. He knows that me without food have been so cranky and half-heartedly doing everything. So the vada pav gave me the energy. Good vada pav, but a little salt was less. My review about vada pav is a must. So there's one more thing which I really want to change this year is that I don't want people to know me just as a runner. That guy was like, so this year needs to change the identity a little. Rhythm and I tried it earlier, okay? And we know how tough it is. But I don't think we need to hold that.
Like na pude mage na go
3 seconds.
Oh, we are there. We are almost there.
Not there, 3 seconds. Whoa.
Good.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. ये बैलेंस आउट करता था.
Got it.
You got it.
1, 2. One, two, 3.
Let's go, baby.
We are done with the shoot, guys. This was the first event of Ibiza Royal. Yes! This obstacle race is happening in Ibiza itself. It's happening in April. Me and Karan are partner for this obstacle race. And Red Bull is flying us to Spain. I think it's going to be my first international trip to Spain directly. I couldn't believe it when the team told me, you know. And that's the reason I'll be training for my upper body strength from today, so that I could perform really well during this obstacle race. It's going to be crazy because it's Red Bull, it's a global event. There will be more than 250 participants, 48 countries involved. It's going to be massive. So I'm the Indian contender for this. Are you excited for this? Are you doing it for the Spain ki fitness bhi hai thoda, you're deciding?
Actually, बहुत सालों से करना था this thing, and
Yeah.
seeing Overly Daya doing Overly Daya's na?
हाँ, Overly Da. Akshada, Da.
Akshada.
हाँ,
Okay.
Da bol, Da soap hai.
तो मेरे को ऐसा बहुत करने का मन था. Spain तो is like second thing, but first thing is for
Fitness,
myself.
yes.
And then maybe I do some great marathon with her. So
Let's go. And we are running 35 kilometers today. Now we are at the most dangerous part where a lot of accidents happen. We got to witness the most insane sunrise today. So grateful for our in-house physio to join us for long runs. Running is any day better than visiting your physio, guys. That's the worst thing.